So guys, this is how you can install Google Chrome on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First, open up your Microsoft Edge or open up your whatever browser that you guys are using. So I'm just using Microsoft Edge. So to download Google Chrome, all you guys need to do is go to Google first, google.com, and simply type here Google Chrome. Search this and go to the first result. This is probably Google Chrome. So you can close this. Before you click and download, I would recommend not to check this button because it's just sending a usage status. So just simply uncheck this and download the Google Chrome. There we go. It's been downloading Chrome setup.exe. So now click and open file. And there we go. It's been installing. Waiting to download. So patience here. Now it's been installing. All right, so now we have opened up. So guys, now we have successfully installed Google Chrome on your computer. So this is how it should look like. Now you can click and get started, and you can check or uncheck this whatever you need. So I'm going to check for Google News and YouTube. And click on next. Pick a background that you deserve, that you like. All right, so I'm just going to choose art and click on next. So you can set this Chrome as default. If you don't want, then simply click on escape. Click and continue. So now you can log in to your Google account. But if you guys have trouble to read these languages, then you can simply click here and choose English, United States. Now you are able to see this everything on English. Simply log in, or if you don't have an account, you can still create an account, and there we go. So this is how you guys can install Google Chrome on your computer, and it was that simple. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.